What's up, everyone? I hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate guide to correctly activating notifications on your smartwatch using the Hiwatch Pro app on Android. To make sure everything works 100% and to avoid system errors, I suggest a quick trick. Uninstall the app right now and reinstall it. This way, you can follow the entire setup from scratch with me. Before we start, make sure your Bluetooth and GPS are active on your phone. Now, pay close attention to permissions. Long press the Hiwatch Pro icon. Go to App Infos and look for the Permissions section. It is mandatory to enable location, nearby devices, and notifications. If you skip any of these, your messages simply won't sync with your watch. With everything ready, let's open the app and go to the Setup tab. Select Find Device to start searching for your smartwatch. Quick tip: if your watch doesn't show up, don't worry. Just perform a factory reset on the watch and try again. This fixes almost any pairing issue. Once connected, look for the Message Push or Notifications option. This is where you choose which apps you want to receive, like WhatsApp or Instagram. When you toggle the first one, the system will ask for special access. Find Hiwatch Pro and Android list, grant the permission, and return to the app to finish selecting your favorite networks. Finally, a very common mistake. Check that the Do Not Disturb mode is turned off on both your phone and your smartwatch. If this feature is active, it will block all alerts even if everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You should now be receiving your notifications instantly. If this step-by-step tutorial was helpful, please support the channel by subscribing and leaving a comment about your experience. Greetings to all, and I'll see you in the next video.